Phil Morgan.
Hello, and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, we are diving into an incredible spiritual text that has fascinated and inspired millions of people around the world, the Urantia Book. Have you ever found yourself searching for answers to life's big questions? Questions about the nature of God, the purpose of existence, or the destiny of humankind? Well, look no further, because the Urantia Book provides profound insights into all of these mysteries and more. The Urantia Book is a unique and comprehensive spiritual work that was first published in 1955. It claims to have been authored by numerous celestial beings, who have come to enlighten humanity and offer guidance for spiritual growth. One of the remarkable aspects of the Urantia Book is its vast scope. It covers a wide range of topics, including cosmology, philosophy, theology, history, and even personal spiritual experiences. It presents a coherent and expansive worldview that seeks to bridge the gap between science, religion, and philosophy. Within its pages, you'll find captivating narratives about the creation of the universe, the nature of God, the evolution of life on Earth, and the life and teachings of Jesus. But it doesn't stop there. The Urantia Book delves into the intricacies of human personality, explores the concept of eternal life, and provides guidance on how we can cultivate a meaningful and purposeful existence. Throughout our journey on this channel, we will explore the core teachings and concepts presented in the Urantia Book. We'll delve into its cosmology and the nature of the divine hierarchy. We'll discuss the Urantia papers and the authors behind them. And most importantly, we'll examine how these teachings can be applied to our daily lives, helping us to grow spiritually and find inner peace. So, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our upcoming videos. We'll be releasing weekly content that explores different aspects of the Urantia Book. From deep dives into specific papers to interviews with experts and scholars, we're here to provide you with an in-depth understanding of this profound spiritual work. Whether you're already familiar with the Urantia Book or just discovering it for the first time, this channel will serve as a valuable resource for your spiritual journey. So, join us as we embark on an exploration of wisdom, truth, and the mysteries of the universe. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you in the next.